What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. Just taking a quick look at Luna here, and as we can see, still looking absolutely fantastic on the larger time frames here. Higher high, higher low, higher high, just continuing to the upside. Massive multiples from the start of the bull run. Absolutely incredible. You can see on our Fibonacci level that we have drawn from high to low here. All these levels being respected amazingly. Resistance, resistance, all the way up to resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, all the way up to this swing high here, where we fall back down to support, but we lose this support, so we come back down to this previous swing low area. That was the previous all-time high back here. And we do actually get the bounce in this area like this. I'll just correct this line because it is a little bit out of skew here, but you can see this previous all-time high here flipped into support. We get the bounce to the upside, we break the 141, we come all the way up with the overextension of the 161 here. We try and retest as support, but obviously a bit too overextended here with some bearish divergences on the daily. We come back down. Where do we find support? On that previous swing high here. And then lo and behold, another bounce to the upside for Luna. Absolutely smashing it right now. A huge amount of demand for this token. You can see it just continues to pump continuously here. Absolutely incredible multiples right now. We're at a clean 2x from down here, just where we were basically a month ago. Very nice to see. Obviously it's just up and to the right for Luna right now, isn't it? Constantly making higher highs and higher lows. Looking really strong in the market. Really not much to say about Luna other than that it's looking incredibly strong right now. We've said a few fundamental reasons for this in the past, and we will say these again. As we said previously, we do think Luna a really top quality asset in general. We think that overall, the fact that every single time that UST, which is becoming quite ubiquitous now as a stable coin, decentralized, depegged stable coin, basically it's doing extremely well because it is getting burnt constantly. Luna is getting burnt constantly every time that UST is minted, and obviously with UST becoming very popular, more and more Luna is being burned, which means obviously they're less circulating supply. Means that you should see an increase in price, which is what we've been seeing over the past months. This is basically just an up and to the right chart, continuously heading to the upside here. Ridiculously bullish in our opinion. And obviously, if you want to borrow against your Luna on Anchor, you have to lock away your Luna, bond it as B Luna, and to mint UST, which obviously locks away more Luna from circulating supply. In theory, increasing the price as well. And overall, we are seeing just a crazy spike for Luna. I mean, this chart is just absolutely ridiculous when you look at it. So we'd say overall, Luna, incredible project, doing extremely well. As we said in our last video, we do think $100 is the next target. Obviously, this is a protocol which is getting a huge amount of use now, and with the rise of UST becoming very popular and widely used, we are essentially seeing Luna really benefit from those mechanisms that are in place for the protocol. So short-term price predictions, obviously, if we are getting a bit overextended right now. There are some bearish divergences here, for example, and we'll probably see a little bit of a pullback fairly soon. We could come back to around that $75 level in this previous swing high area and continue upwards, because obviously Luna has been incredibly bullish right now. But if we do see a more significant pullback, obviously $66-67 would be a good place right here to enter for a lot of people on the 161 extension of the Fibonacci, which we could easily see if we do see a bit of a rollover in the market. But with the market looking fairly good, we do think Luna is probably just going to continue to the upside. $100, as we said, being that next target. If we just draw in a rare, $100 is looking something like this. Make this a nice green line. This would obviously be the next target for Luna, a nice psychological round number that a lot of people would probably take profits at. Could see a decent amount of resistance here for a rollover and then maybe a continuation like this. And we do have that 227 extension, as we said before, for Luna at around that $210 mark, which would be, a really nice price target for Luna. we'd probably be approaching around $100 billion market cap then. So obviously Luna the larger Luna gets, the harder it will be to pump it up. But we do think $150, $200 for Luna, at least $100 over the next few months is probably very likely, especially just considering how well it's performing. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.